What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and leave a like, man. Please leave a like. It helps me and helps the algorithm. It helps the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in on today's video. As you saw, we're going to be removing the fenders, the front fenders of the Mazda RX7 FD. Simple process, but I just wanted to show you guys and showcase some of the bolts that we need to remove. I'm going to be marking the bolts so that whenever we need to actually drill into the wide body, we just drill into it and know which bolts we have to attach to the wide body. So hope you guys can hear me okay. I have no mic on this camera. This is my girl's camera, so hopefully you guys can hear me okay, and if you don't, I'm really sorry. But anyway, let's jump in. Again, this is my 1993 Mazda RX7 FD. Crashed, of course. It was crashed from this side, so it's gonna need framework. Has no interior. It's stripped down to the bones, as you can see. As you saw on the last video, we were pretty much just lining up the wide body that I bought, or the fenders that I bought for this car. I saw that the front fenders did not align as well as I wanted to, but the reason is that we need to remove the stock fenders in order for us to put those white fenders. So that's the only reason why it wasn't fitting properly and looked kind of weird. You know that we're not going to be able to mock them up perfectly because of the frame, but at least it's going to give us some type of, you know, view of how it's going to look. So we have the side skirts coming in and the front bumper coming in, as well as a steering wheel. I know we don't need it right now, but it was a good opportunity and a good price, so we were able to get that as well. We're going to be coming up and switching the end link, the whole thing, because it literally cut off right here. So we're going to we're gonna actually remove this pretty soon and switch it up so that we can actually move the tires and stuff. So again, a lot of work for the FD, man. It's gonna be a lot of work, but I know that once we get it up and running, it's gonna be looking great. The guy that I was talking to in reference to the frame said that we needed to get another crash bar because of how bent it is. If you guys know of anyone that has one, please let me know in the comments below so I can get it. He says that we need to replace it. I don't know how knowledgeable the guy is, but anyway, let's get started. Let's get these bolts removed. It's pretty simple. It has a few bolts in the front. If yours is not crashed, it just has, like, I think one here, and then it has some in the body on the engine bay right here, and one by the door. Oh shit. And one by the door. So the other bolt is somewhere right there. There you go. And then it has two in the bottom. Has that one right there, and the other one's back here. Let's remove this fender first, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, seems to me that all the bolts are the same. I don't know, I might be mistaken, but this fender should come right off. Alright, there you go. Wow. There you go. First fender done, baby. Let's go to the next one. Date. This one. This is looking chalked right here. That looks way better. So yeah, guys. Oh man. Oh, is this like zoomed in or some shit or what? I guess not. But there's like some discrepancies right here by where the A-pillar is. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like, of course this is the messed up side. Maybe it's just that it's crashed and it doesn't line up perfectly. But I mean, it's starting to look better, you know. Just missing the side skirts right there. God damn, it's hot. So look at that. This is the side that lined up a little bit better. But yeah, look at that. I mean, fitment is not that bad. It's only here. But again, it might be from the crash, hopefully. I mean, it doesn't reach all the way. I don't know. Maybe we'll find out. But yeah, that's how you remove a 1993 Mazda RX7 FD side skirts. And of course we're just mocking up the new wide body to it. Again, we're waiting for the fenders. Sorry, we're waiting for the side skirts here so it looks complete, because it looks chalked right here. So it's gonna cover this, the whole space right there. Then we already have the rear fenders, and the bumper is coming as well. Again, we need to change that or fix it. Hopefully we can fix it. That'll be the most ideal. That's how it looks kind of from the front. There you go. It's starting to look more like a car. But yeah, we have the stock fenders probably gonna sell. I mean, they're messed up, so I'll sell them for cheap. Whoever needs them, they're stock FD fenders. Whoever needs them, let me know. I'll sell them for cheap. Again, they're messed up, so don't be expecting some great fenders and stuff. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. How the car is looking. Again, it's crashed. We're already talking to the body shop so we can take it, or they can work on it here. They said they can work on it where it's at right now. So I'm currently looking for I'm currently looking for a rear hatch for it. I don't have one, and a lot of water is coming into the back. Hey, can you be quiet or what? So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think on the process on the FD. I mean, it's not a lot, but it's getting there. Again, just missing the side skirts, the front bumper, and the rear hatch, and we should be complete. Well, I mean, the hood, we have the hood here, but I really want to change it. So let me know what you guys think on the process. I'll be posting more videos on it as well, also on the WRX and the Mustang most likely. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be it for today's video. Please leave a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, because it helps me and it helps the channel and the algorithm. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'm so excited on this build. It's gonna be sent to the body shop pretty soon. I'm just waiting on some stuff to get here. I'm so excited, guys. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, peace out.